play a good game, and United deserved to win the game because showed more desire, more ambition, more motivation to win this game. I think it's very simple, but in this case the fault is of the coach.
We gave them double problems. We gave them problems when they had the ball, because we controlled very well, and we gave them problems when we recovered the ball, because we were really sharp and fast and aggressive in our transition. So I'm very happy with the performance. Very happy.
I think that was a very bad period in the last season, on the end of the last season, that we spent a lot of energy fighting again Leicester, but again West Bromwich, again Chelsea, again the media, again the people, again we fight again all, and we spend a lot of energy, but now we are focusing in fight against our opponent when we play, and then we spend time and energy in prepare ourselves to compete in the best way.
For us, really very, very important, because showing this concentration level until the end didn't work each week in the last few months. That's how it is, but today it was really good, and I'm happy about this.